Afternoon and welcome to Module 2 of our course. Again, this is for the Bio Lab 120L. So let me go ahead and share screen so that we are all on the same page as to what is due for this week. So you should see on your screen Module 2. Again, if you're not sure how to get into that, you go to Course Menu, go to Learning Modules, and then click on Module 2 right here. So Module 2 is going to look at the chemistry of life. I know you probably see the word chemistry and have a little bit of apprehension about chemistry. Yes, this is a biology lab, but chemistry plays a big portion as well. So we know about homeostasis or equilibrium, a way of maintaining something. So for instance, maintaining your internal body pressure, maybe maintaining your blood pressure, maintaining your glucose levels, all having to do with homeostasis. Here's the module introduction. So again, if you take a look at the module introduction, just kind of looking at some of the objectives, so why we are studying this particular topic this week in terms of chemistry. If you go to, same thing with module overview as well. So more importantly is the reading and resources page. This has the explanation again for the lab. So this is where you get the lab information. This lab is in particular is called the Chemistry of Life, pH and Buffers. And then some additional support coming from the lecture. So if you're taking the lecture portion of biology, take a look at chapters 2.1 and 2.2. So let's get into the lab. So first, of course, as I always kind of prep everybody, make sure you pay attention to how long this lab is. This one, not too bad. Again, preparation, about half an hour, and then 15 minutes each for activity 1 and 2. So overall, this lab should take you about an hour or so. This lab, we're going to be exploring the concept of pH. So if you are very familiar with a pH scale, it's a scale based on the numbers from 0 to 14, 0 being very acidic, 14 being very basic. And then what types of things can you find in terms of acidity? So for instance, orange juice would be very acidic. Vinegar, things like that. Milk and magnesia, blood is a little bit more basic. So you'll find those above 7 typically. So again, read through the objectives, the overview, the background information here. Make sure you have the preparation. So again, I always recommend reading the lab and then rereading it once you actually start to do it. So your preparation is going to take the bulk of your time. Use this link right here, which is the Module 2 Chemistry of Life Lab Report. So this is the template that you're going to be using to submit your charts or any graphs or anything if it's required, as well as answering the questions to the lab. So when you're finished, you can upload it here in this section of the assignment. Also in this section here is looking at 2.2, which is the final project topic. So there's going to be 4 virtual topics listed in this milestone. So take a look at it. You're going to choose one, and you're going to formulate a research question. You may design a research question on your own or some other virtual laboratory or hands-on experiment. If you choose to design it, make sure you submit it to me for approval. Just want to make sure that it is having to do with our topic here. But again, if you just take a look, if you just click here, and all you do is, again, look at the milestone rubric, and you're going to choose one of the research questions that are provided, or you can choose one on your own for approval. So again, no discussions or anything due this week. So all you have is going to be your lab and then taking a look at the final project topic. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, especially concerning the lab. And hopefully you have some good experience with the lab and get some good information out of it.